Here we are, this brethren of birds, gathered for our yearly feeding. I know what food is, it's something I've had before. I don't believe you, you were awfully confused at last year's feeding. No, I wasn't. Yes, you were. Let us begin the ceremony with a short prayer. Last year I ate so much I was sick. That is the bullshit of the day. From the heavens to the depths, let us be grateful for what we are to receive. I love food so much, I will love it forever. If you lie one more time, I will turn my back on you, then turn back around so you can see the disgust on my face. Let our hearts rise in gladness to the Supreme Being, along with our thumbs also. I don't think I'm a liar actually, but it's your choice to live in delusion. I have never lived in delusion once, other than when I spent some time in Rotherham. You tell that to yourself, love. Amen. Where's this food then? We're going to have to get it ourselves, obviously. I think we should stab some limes. I'm sorry I called you a liar. That's okay, I was lying. Do you think we can eat these limes? I think we should focus on the steam man who looks very sad. Hello, steam man. Hello, birds. We couldn't help but notice that you're sad. Yes, I hate limes. But you're made of limes? Yeah. Just think of the opposite of limes. Hooves. Hooves. Thanks, guys. I really needed that. If my divinations are correct, our feast will be served in 3, 2, 1. This is food. Yeah. You can fuck that sky high. I'm off for a shit.